With the hog?
Just out hogging on this beautiful day. You know how it goes.
So today's a pretty big day, but I mean, people could tell by the title. You want to tell them why?
Because we got some sick wheels.
Hell yeah. So, as you guys know, I'm not going to show you yet. As you guys know, I've been complaining about wanting 18s for the S13. I've been on 17s basically for like ever on this car, and I wanted to step it up, get something new, get something fresh, and try a bigger wheel. And perfect timing. I just got 6 of them.
I don't know why you need 6, but whatever.
There's a drift car.
So you're guaranteed to ruin at least 2 of them, is what you're saying?
Well, you need backups for spares, so you don't have to change the tires. You just save rookie.
I guess that makes sense.
Okay, yeah. So here it is, guys. I got 6 KANSEI. I think you would pronounce that KANSEI. I don't want to butcher this, dude.
That sounds right. I'll roll with that.
Okay, we're gonna say KANSEI. KANSEI. Guys, I'm so sorry I butchered this, but here it is. 6 brand new KANSEI wheels. I'm so excited to show you guys what they are, but
here we go.
here we go. Let's just jump into it. So KANSEI recently came out with this newer wheel called the Tandem, and I've been obsessed with it. So I asked them to hook it up, went, grabbed myself 6 of them, and now we're gonna throw them on the S13.
And hopefully not ruin them.
Yeah.
You ready?
Dude, I'm so pumped.
Are you?
Yeah.
Packaging, top notch.
Right?
Already impressed.
Comes with a nice hairnet for you.
All right, we ready? Hold on, hold on. Okay, I got it. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Damn.
Those look good.
Dude, this looks so good. Okay, so I think this is the smaller one. I should say, where's the specs?
Well, 18 by 9.
Okay, cool. So I got 2 18 by 9s and 4 18 by 9.5s. I wanted to try and fit them up front. I still don't know if I could fit 18s up front yet with my stock fenders, but we're gonna try.
These look good. Am I a wheel girl?
Dude, these look so good. Like, I've seen them online, but in person they look even better. So these are inspired by what wheel? I think you know.
I have no idea.
R34 GTR.
Okay.
Yeah, you see it, right?
Yeah, I see it.
Beautiful. All right, let's test it. Come on, let's go.
All
All right, so this is the 9.5, so it has a lower offset and obviously more width, so the face has a little bit different of a shape. I like that. That's cool.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I like the rears a lot better.
Has a nice concave to them. Dude, that looks amazing.
Yeah, this is going to be cool. That's what that car needed for a very long time.
Some freshies?
Well, no, some bigger wheels and bigger tires and more grip.
We're gonna do the honors.
I'll do the honors.
All right.
Oh my God, it's sensitive.
Just like you, Derek. There we go. Come on, go a little.
That's it.
That's it? Oh, that's a good fitment right there.
Yeah, are you crazy? You add some tire and that thing's tucking, brother.
I regret not having a rear bumper on right now, but let's just, yeah, right there. Dude, these look so good.
It's just gonna make it.
That's all we need.
That's true. Do you know what size tire you're gonna run?
Yeah, I already got them inside.
I didn't mean to offend you, Jimmy.
18 by 9.5 plus 22. Look at this fitment. So proper. Disregard my car looking like a pile of dookie, but the wheels will make up for it.
Big pile of shit.
Yo!
It is.
It's fast though.
It is fast. Hey, my car's in the same boat. Looks like shit, goes good. All
All right, so now it's time to do tires, and since it's 9.5 wide, it's pretty wide for a stock body, but it does fit. But it doesn't mean we could run a fat tire. Since it's a 9.5 inch wheel, I mean, you could fit, I think 265s fit comfortably on a 9.5 inch wheel, but we're gonna be going with a 225 just so it'll fit underneath the fender. It's my first time going with this brand of tire too, and they look kind of beefy for 225s, so we'll see how it all looks together. Now this might not matter for a lot of you guys, but as a drifter, I love the fact that the tires will on these rims so easily. I've had sets in the past. I know it has a lot to do with the tire, but I've had rims in the past that for some reason it's just so hard to pop it over the outer edge. These went on like butter, and that's very important when you're trying to bang tires on and off of the track in between sessions. All right, so it looks pretty tight, but we're good. We're so good. I was scared for a second. We should lower it. So I lowered the car just a little bit. A part of me wants to go a little lower, but I mean, they fit great. I'm really impressed. Put just some nice like rear valance or a nice D-Max rear bumper. Look how hot that look. I know. I need to paint my car, I need to finish my kit, you guys know. So I bought front tires to try and fit the 18s up front. I'm a little nervous on fitment issues with the stock fenders because there really isn't that much room. Most 240 guys that drift, especially with stock fenders, usually run 17s in the front and 18s in the rear, and that's the way it goes. And I accidentally bought 225 40s for the front when I meant to buy 215 40 to try and get some more room by shrinking the tire. All right, here we go. So we got them to kind of fit in the front. So one thing that is awesome is the fact that it clears the Z32 calipers with no spacers, which is huge because most wheels don't, because they're huge calipers and they sit really close to the hub. These, no issue. But unfortunately, since the offset is so high, because I believe a plus 35, which means the wheel sits closer inward to the car, they hit the coilover, which is a little unfortunate because that means I'll have to run seeming to be at least a 8 to 10 mil spacer up front, which means I need extended lugs, and I don't have time to get all that stuff. So looks like we're gonna be running these in the rear for now, but man, do these look good all around. Dude, that looks so badass. If I just lower it like a ½ inch all around, it looks so good. All right, so I just opened this one, and dude, they sent a whole bunch of gear underneath it. Oh, I'm so stoked. Got the nice hat. Dude, a bunch of t-shirts, no way. This is sick. Oh, and a hoodie. Yeah, they got the size right. Dude, they sent mad stuff. That's awesome. Bunch of stickers. Hell yeah. It looks like they sent 2 banners. Perfect. Just in time. We got a lot more wall space at the new shop. Got to fill it up. We're going for a test drive real quick because I've been dying to see what this car feels like with 18s in the rear. It'll be some more wheel speed, so it'll make my gearing feel a little different, and it's gonna grip up completely different. And I'm on a different style tire too, so it's a whole big difference. But I'm really pumped. So try it out. I'm trying to find Derek. I don't know where he went. He went on the chopper, but I need a filming buddy. So let's go find him. Oh, here's this guy. Dude, you live on this thing.
Wrong way. Yeah, bro. Damn it.
You're about the chopper life, huh?
I am a biker. Through and through, 100%. Not like this fake with this what? Harley Davidson.
Never heard of it.
Has anybody even heard of Harley Davidson?
What are you doing?
No, not a soul.
All right, you check the numbers, I'll rage, all right?
Deal.
So Derek just upped the crap out of the boost.
Show me something.
I'd say it's a little quicker. Definitely has a lot more grip, holy crap. The 18s do wonders, dude.
Can you do a skid here or not?
This guy looks like a narc.
Nah, it's cool. That guy's cool. I lost my hat.
Did it go out the window?
I don't know. Is it behind me? It's a big deal.
No, it's behind you.
Oh, thank God.
How fun is just a Manji, dude?
Yes.
It feels smooth. I liked it. I gotta fix my throttle response though, because my ethanol content isn't up to par right now. So my throttle response is pretty dog shit. You could hear it, right? You heard it stutter on me?
No, I didn't hear it stutter once.
Oh yeah, that's a whole thing that I feel, not you. Yeah, my bad.
We should fix it.
Yeah, we should.
No, you should.
Well,
I'm not going to.
Okay, I got it. No worries.
Only because I'm lazy.
Okay, yeah. I mean, I have the capabilities because of you.
Yeah, you have the skill set.
Okay, nice. You like that flat foot?
Yeah, that was good.
That was good.
It was only making
16 pounds, you said.
It froze on 216 kPa.
Dude, if it's only making 16 pounds, I'll be the happiest fucking dude ever. Yeah, I know. Don't want to show the hair.
No, I look probably crazy right now.
There you go.
Thank you.
So, what we got? 18, 16 PSI?
Yeah, about that. About 17 pounds.
Dude, I'll take it.
Yeah, it felt good.
Felt good. If I need more than that, I need to drive better.
Yeah. Yeah, I would say so.
Yeah. For the amount of grip that I have?
Yeah.
I think it's a good power to grip ratio.
It hooks good, but like if you want to get loose, you can definitely make it happen.
We can make it. We can get nay as they say.
Yeah, as they say.
Mm-hmm.
That's the first time I've ever heard that word.
Really?
Yeah.
Welcome to it.
Thanks.
Gotta make it official. I don't put a lot of stickers on my car. I mean, that's me, Rock City, and of course, Soul Eater.
Death the Kid.
Death the Kid. Oh, it matches Death.
Quality.
Love it. Dude, I feel like I'm doing these wheels an injustice by putting them on such an ugly car.
I agree.
We should test them on. I think these would look hot on the Black Sea. What do you think?
Yes. Anything.
Ooh, even the
any
Red Sea.
other wheel than what's on the Black Sea would look better.
You don't like the.
No, those wheels are hideous.
Whatever, RJ. No one asked you.
You literally just did.
Nice work. How do you pronounce it, RJ? KANSEI.
Ah, you just said it too, and I don't even remember. KANSEI.
No, it's not KANSEI. I'm
KANSEI.
so sorry, guys.
KANSEI?
KANSEI. I'm pretty sure that's like a.
KANSEI!
Look at this mess.
Look at this mess.
What are you doing?
So do I save the banner until we move into the new shop? I should go hang it up in the new shop right now. And so when I move in, the banner's already there.
Go straight over there and just show them what's up.
Okay. Just let them know. Just let them know.
Walk in with the hat on, hang the banner.
Assert your dominance, Jimmy. Strike a T-pose.
Alright, Josh, mind your own business, okay?
It smells. It smells like crayons.
It works better if you do it in the dark. Because then you can't see how bad of a job you're doing. Because I know it looks awful.
Yeah.
This trunk is so screwed. I've been trying to find another trunk, but clearly there's a shortage of coupe trunks on the Northeast.
Hurry up, Brian's here. Don't let him see you doing this shoddy body work.
I know, we have to go quick.
You have 20 minutes before he gets out of his car.
Yeah, true.
It's dark, remember, he may not notice. So, this may be fine.
Stop it. My hair's gonna get frizzy.
Oh, we got one piece, so you can't fuck this up. Don't let the vinyl touch itself. Alright, now go like this. Use your palms and fingers. Flip around, Josh.
Yeah, that'd be...
Like this, because you gotta pull hard. Now, the corner is really high, so don't miss the corner. So pull it really hard. Alright, pull it really hard, and then lay it down. Ready? Harder. Yep, pull down, go. Just lay it over the whole thing.
This is such bad lighting.
Oh, I can't even see where the wrinkles are.
Yeah, it looks great. Just leave it like this.
I'm saying, you can't see how bad it is. You can't complain.
Like from right here, it looks like it's fine.
This is not a good color to do at night. Doing great.
Yeah. Wow, just look at it.
You know what?
Technique.
The imperfections in the trunk don't show nearly as bad as I thought they would. Because it's really bad.
Hey RJ, you don't have to film for a second. Oh, look what happens in a hot second.
Dude, what the heck? It literally just shattered. That sucks. I've never seen anything like that happen to vinyl before. There's a shelf life of this stuff just not there anymore. Man, I am not good at this.
This guy looks really good though.
Oh, mosquitoes are killing me, dude.
With the sweat, I bet. They like salt.
Yeah, Jimmy's a salty bitch right now.
Fuck you. Final stretch. You get it?
I've never seen anybody try and tint their taillights like this. Oh man. Oh man. Brian, thank goodness you're here. I tried to tell him not to do it, but he wouldn't listen. Because nobody listens to me.
Why do you want him not to do it?
Because Because you should paint it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna paint it tonight.
I recall hearing you from the car saying you could have painted it all by now.
Yeah,
I could have. If I was gonna paint it tonight, I could have painted it faster than Jimmy just wrapped it.
Yeah. Are you done yet?
Oh, look at this.
I know. We'll just let it sit in the sun. It'll work itself out.
Anyways.
It looks good in the dark.
Nice work, kids.
Very nice, Amber.
It does.
It looks good in the dark. Oh, jeez, Brian.
No, it looks great.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
like,
look at this. This
that
is the
shit looks
perfect
mint.
lighting, the perfect angle to see how good it
The
came
next
out.
Swift event is at night too.
So guys, we learned a valuable lesson today.
That half these clips are unusable because it's so dark out here.
If vinyl's been sitting in your garage for 2 years, don't use it. Jump.
Junk vinyl.
Jump. You got the hat on. Show it off.
Yo.
Nice work, kid.
Pretty sick.
What do you think of the wheels?
I like them a lot, actually.
Jealous, huh?
I like the color. I am jealous.
I know I want to
do-
test it on your car so bad. We have
I know,
adapters.
I know. We do have adapters, but we'll see the offset. I mean, my front. If the front's too aggressive, my fenders aren't happy.
Yeah, they're already wrong. Screw it. I know. I'm dying. So, I ordered the extended studs on line already. So when those come in, we'll get the front on and try and fit them. If I roll the fender somewhat aggressively, I think I'll have no problem.
Sick. I should probably convert my car to studs one day.
Should do it.
Make life a little easier.
Another shade of black. It was worth it. It was worth it. What do you think, Steffi? Do you like the new wheels?
God.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like the wheels?
What is it? Platinum gray?
Sure.
What color are they? What color?
Gunmetal.
They look just. What's the difference between platinum gray and gunmetal?
I don't know.
There is no difference.
Do you know what it is?
There is no difference.
Huh?
There's no difference.
Are you excited to see how this car does on the track in 18s? Because I am.
Tell them, Derek.
Yeah, I've been excited since the first time I've ever been in it. It needed more grip.
You're right. You're right. I'm excited. It's gonna be great. This weekend's gonna be great. So tomorrow I'm gonna finish up my track prep. I just gotta do tie rods, do quick climate, wash the car, and just do bolt check, and we're ready to go. But besides that, I'm so pumped on the wheels. I can't wait to get the fronts all fitted on and get that all squared up. I think the fronts are gonna fit no issues with those tires, so long as I really clearance it out and just make it fit right. So yeah, with that, again, huge shout out to KANSEI for sending the wheels out. I couldn't be more grateful. I'm so pumped to be running their wheels, and hopefully we'll have some other sets on some other cars pretty soon. So of course, guys, check out what they have to offer. I'll put their website and their Instagram below. They have some really, really beautiful wheels, and they're really affordable. So with that, we're gonna end it, call it a night. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Izzo,
Have a good night, guys. Subscribe. Comment below.
Comment about the trunk. Looks pretty fire.
Swipe out.
good night, guys.
Bye.